Welcome to Cafe Emerald. Today we're going to be trying the Bodum ePebo electric vacuum coffee maker, and we're going to be doing it with our Christmas Reserve Coffee 2017. So how it works is we're going to go ahead and get our filtered clean water and add it to the 8-cup line, which is located onto the coffee machine. You have a 6-cup line and then an 8-cup line. Today we're going to do 6 cups of coffee today. So let's go ahead and fill it. And you're just going to go ahead and fill the clean water inside your coffee maker to the line where it says 6 or 8. And for every cup of water that you put inside of here, you want to do 1 scoop of coffee. And I grinded my coffee on espresso because you want it to be really, really fine. That way you can get the best of the coffee with this maker. And this base is going to start heating up the water inside of here. As this is heating up, you want to go ahead and get the top part of this machine. You're going to hook the chain onto here, insert it into the base. And what this is going to demonstrate is as this heats up, the water is going to go ahead and boil into this section of the contraction, and then we're going to go ahead and place the coffee into here. And usually about this time you want to go ahead and just like grind up your coffee bean, but mine's is already pre-grind, so it smells really good. This is from our very own coffee farm out in Costa Rica that Starbucks had purchased about 3 years ago. Hacienda, I can never pronounce the last part. It's something with an A. Hacienda. But this is super rare and it's very good, and it's supposed to have like woody notes and nice spice flavors from the rare aged Sumatra. So we're gonna go ahead and taste it today. As you can see, look, the contraction is already starting to boil the water right here at the base. There is a cup of water coming up over here, and then we'll see how long it takes to brew a cup of coffee. So now water's slowly starting to make its way up here, and this is starting to fog up from the heat that's coming from down here. So we're gonna do 6 scoops of coffee. You want them to be leveled scoops, and this is a scoop that the contraction came with. It does say it is 7 grams that of coffee it gets. It's not too big. Usually some of the scoops are like 2 tablespoons or 1 tablespoon. That's usually when you use like a Chemex or a French press. Now the water's starting to boil up. So now let's go ahead and add our scoops of coffee, and you want to make sure they're leveled scoops. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. And what you want to do is go ahead and grab a spoon. Usually you want to do like the spoons that have the holes in it, kind of like a spatula, and you just kind of want to just gently fold your coffee grounds into the water, gently folding them. And that's just so that way your coffee is well saturated. And right now this would be called blooming. All of the coffee grounds are opening up and it's getting all of its natural flavors and everything that you want to extract from your coffee grounds, just so that way you have a nice cup of coffee. And this is going to go ahead and lift up the rest of the water that's supposed to be inside here. Once it's already lifted, the machine is going to start extracting the coffee down into the base. There should be a little bit of water left down below, but it's not too much. The grounds, they will get kept from right here, this filter from the neck, so you won't have any grounds into your coffee. You'll just have a nice cup of coffee. So let's go ahead and watch this as it goes. We should start to see a drip in a couple minutes. It smells so good. I'm so excited. Now it is slowly extracting from the top of the base. Okay, and then we just see the bottom of the base filling up with all the coffee that we're about to enjoy. And all the grounds are being kept on top, which is really awesome. And the way the grounds are kept, I'm gonna show you guys. This is exactly like a pour over. To know that you really made a great cup of coffee is you want your grounds to look like it's a circle and it goes down and down, and then it just like tulips in the middle, like a nice little dip inside. That's how you know you made a great cup of coffee. It's all even around the sides, and then it's just like going, and then choop. And then all you do is lift it, pull the chain, place this on top of this. So to know that you made a great cup of coffee, your grounds should look like this. How you have it all nice and even, and then you have a dent in the middle. That's what your ground should look like for any cup of coffee. So as this sits on its stand, I'm gonna go ahead and grab this. Oh, and it smells so good. Smell the spices from the rare aged Sumatra. Pour yourself a nice cup of coffee. Pours so clean. Go ahead and try it. So what you want to do is go ahead and smell your coffee. And the notes that you're getting is like a nice woody spice flavor, and the spice is from that rare aged Sumatra. Go ahead and take a sip. Oh wow, this is good. It has like little notes of ginger and then the nice like woody flavor. It's not very acidic, but overall, it's a great cup of coffee. Thank you for watching and enjoy your next cup of brew.